Alright guys, this is the unboxing or unwrapping of my custom tee that I just got. Got my name on there. It's a large, got a little Africa joint. See me? So I'm about to unwrap it right now. Alright. Let's see how it goes. I like the packaging. The packaging is dope, man. Like, okay. You know what I mean? You can throw it if you want to. She threw it to me, so like, I was all the way across the room, and then she was like, and I was like, got it. No, I'm lying. Let's go. Alright, nicely packaged, just wrapped the black tee. Alright, so she got something right. You got something right, the black tee. Oh, snap. Oh, I missed the tag. Can you see the tag? Oh, you can't see it, huh? You won't be able to see it. You got her little signature on there. Emani tees. What did it say? It said, hand wash if possible. Machine wash on code. Cycle to prevent loss of color or paint from material. Air dry for machine dry on the lowest setting. Emani tees. Alright? Dope. It would have been nice if you had said to Joy or something. I'm just saying. Like I said, this shirt is inside out. So this is inside of the t-shirt. Inside out, black tees, inside. Look at this joint right here. She did her thing on here. A little special request, a little dripping. So if anybody get an Emani tee with the little dripping on there, she should make that like the exclusive Joy thing, alright? She should make that like the Joy design or whatever. But that looks dope, looks clean though. She put in work on this design. The drips are perfect. The whole Africa thing is perfect. You know what? I wanna rock this tee today. And then if you see the tee, when I flip it up, shows my Twitter handle. See that? See? Flip it down. You don't know. Flip it up. Sheesh. 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 You already know the click, #, Cahtel. You see it? Hold on, man. It's the Cahtel. It's the Cahtel. Alright, see that? Dope. Shout out to you, Emani, for this tee. I'm rocking it today. Friday at the conference. Church conference, get my Team Jesus off. You know how it goes.